Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be here with you today.
How are you today, Charlotte?
I am great, Leo. I am very excited about today's episode.
Me too. Today we have a very fun topic. We are going to talk about hobbies.
Hobbies are the things we do for fun. We do them when we are not working and when we are not studying.
Exactly. Hobbies are for your free time. They make us feel happy and relaxed.
Knowing how to talk about hobbies is very important. It helps you make new friends.
Yes, when you meet a new person, you can ask, "What do you do for fun?" It is a great conversation starter.
Today, we will learn 5 very common phrases to talk about hobbies.
And remember, we are learning together. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
That is right. Relax, listen, and speak with us. Let's start.
Leo, what do you usually do in the evening? After school?
Well, Leo, usually I am tired, so I sit on the sofa and I watch TV.
Ah, that is our first phrase for today. Watch TV.
Yes, watch TV. Listen to the pronunciation. Watch TV.
Let's explain this. To watch TV means to look at the television screen to see a movie, a show, or the news.
Exactly. You use your eyes. You sit and you look.
Here are examples. Number 1, I watch TV with my family on Friday nights.
Number 2, she likes to watch TV series on Netflix.
Number 3, we watch TV to see the news.
Now, it is your turn. Please repeat after me. Watch TV.
One more time. Watch TV.
Great job. Leo, do you watch TV often?
Sometimes, but I have a lot of energy, so I prefer to play soccer.
Oh, that is a great one. That is our second phrase. Play soccer.
Yes, play soccer. Listen carefully. Play soccer.
To play soccer means to engage in a sport with a ball and your feet. In some countries, like the USA, they call it soccer. In other countries, they call it football. But here we are using soccer.
Yes, it is a physical activity. You run and you kick the ball.
Here are examples. Number 1, Lionel Messi loves to play soccer.
Number 2, I play soccer in the park with my friends.
Number 3, do you want to play soccer this weekend?
Now you try. Repeat after me. Play soccer.
Again, play soccer.
Excellent. Remember, with sports that use a ball, we usually use the verb play. Play soccer, play basketball, play tennis.
That is a good tip, Leo. But Leo, sometimes I don't want to run. Sometimes I want to be quiet.
I understand. What do you do then?
Then I like to read books.
That is beautiful. That is our third phrase. Read books.
Yes, read books. Listen, read books.
To read books means to look at words on a page, to understand a story or information.
You hold the book in your hands. You turn the pages. It's very relaxing.
Here are examples. Number 1, I read books before I go to sleep.
Number 2, she reads books about history.
Number 3, we read books at the library.
Now, audience, please repeat. Read books.
Say it again. Read books.
Very good. Reading is great for your vocabulary, too.
It is. Now, Charlotte, I have a question. What do you do when you are on the bus or walking to school?
Oh, that is easy. I put on my headphones and I listen to music.
Perfect. That is phrase number 4. Listen to music.
Listen to music. To listen to music means to use your ears to hear songs, melodies, and rhythms.
Note that we always say listen to. We don't say, I listen music. We say, I listen to music. The word to is very important.
Yes, do not forget the word to. Here are examples. Number 1, I listen to music when I clean my room.
Number 2, they listen to music on the radio.
Number 3, he likes to listen to pop music.
Now, your turn. Repeat after me. Listen to music.
Don't forget the to. Listen to music.
You are doing amazing. We have one more phrase today.
Yes, this one is about making food. I'm hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. The phrase is cook dinner.
Cook dinner. Listen, cook dinner.
To cook dinner means to prepare the food for the evening meal.
You chop vegetables, you boil water, you use the stove, you make food for your family or yourself.
Here are examples. Number 1, my father likes to cook dinner on Sundays.
Number 2, we cook dinner together in the kitchen.
Number 3, I usually cook dinner at 7 p.m.
Now, please repeat. Cook dinner.
One last time. Cook dinner.
Fantastic work, everyone. Now, Charlotte, I want to teach a small grammar rule. It is very simple.
I love simple grammar. Tell us.
When we talk about hobbies, we often use the phrase, I like.
Yes, I like. It means you enjoy it.
But here is the secret. If you use a verb after I like, you usually add ing to the end of the action.
Oh, like this. I like watching TV.
Exactly. Not I like watch, but I like watching TV.
Okay, so for soccer
I like playing soccer.
and for books,
I like reading books.
that's easy. I like listening to music.
And I like cooking dinner.
Audience, can you try one? Say you like soccer.
I like playing soccer.
Perfect. Charlotte, do you like cooking dinner?
To be honest, no. I prefer eating dinner.
Me too. Okay, friends, we learned a lot today. Let's remember our words.
First, we learned watch TV. This is looking at shows and movies.
Then we learned play soccer. This is the sport with the ball.
Then, read books. This is for stories and quiet time.
Then listen to music. Remember to use the word to.
Finally, cook dinner, making food for the evening.
And we learned to say, I like watching or I like playing.
You did a great job today. Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Yes, you are building your skills one word at a time.
Before we go, we have a special thought for today, a motivational phrase.
Today's phrase is, do what makes your heart smile.
Oh, I like that. Do what makes your heart smile. What does it mean?
It means you should spend time doing hobbies that make you truly happy. If you like reading, read. If you like soccer, play soccer. Find your joy.
That is beautiful advice. Thank you, Charlotte. Thank you, Leo. And thank you to our listeners.
Please practice these phrases this week. Ask a friend, what do you do for fun?
We will see you in the next episode of Unlock English and Speak.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.